Welcome back to the lab. Look inside an old clock, a power drill, or the transmission of a car. What do you see? Wheels with teeth, gears. They are the unsung heroes of the mechanical world. Without gears, your car engine would be useless. It would scream at high speed, but the wheels wouldn't have the strength to move the car 1 inch. Gears solve a fundamental problem of physics. Today, we are going to look at how these two wheels work. How do they trade speed for strength? And what exactly is a gear ratio? Here is the golden rule of mechanics. You cannot create energy out of nothing. But you can transform it. You can make a trade. You can trade speed for torque, or torque for speed. An electric motor or a car engine spins very fast, but it is often not very strong. It has low torque. If you connected it directly to the wheels of a heavy truck, it would just stall. This is where gears come in. They act like a translator between the engine and the wheels. To understand gears, think of a simple lever or a seesaw. If you have a long lever, you can lift a heavy rock with just a little finger. You move your hand a long distance to lift the rock a short distance. A gear is just a spinning lever. Imagine a small gear driving a big gear. The small gear has to spin many times to make the big gear spin once. Just like the lever, you are trading distance speed to gain strength torque. This is called mechanical advantage. The best way to feel this is on a bicycle. Imagine you are approaching a steep hill. What do? You shift to a low gear. You move the chain to the biggest cog on the back wheel. Your legs spin fast high speed, but the wheel turns slowly. This gives you massive torque to climb the hill. It feels easy. Now imagine you are going downhill. You shift to a high gear. Small cog on the back. Now, one slow push of your legs makes the wheel spin many times. You trade strength for pure speed. Engineers calculate this using the gear ratio. It is simple math. Count the teeth. If the driving gear has 10 teeth and the driven gear has 20 teeth, the ratio is 2:1. This means the second gear spins half as fast, but with twice the torque. By chaining these gears together in a gearbox, we can amplify the force of an engine enough to move a 50-ton tank. So gears are basically magic multipliers. They allow weak engines to move mountains simply by spinning faster. Speaking of spinning things, what happens when you spin something so fast around the Earth that it never falls down? In the next video, we are going to space. Orbital mechanics. Why do satellites stay up? Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the lab.